Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create an opt-in page inside Builderall step by step, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. This channel is all about growing your online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, landing pages, building websites or sales funnels, so you can take your business to the next level. Opt-in page, or we can call it squeeze page. It's basically the same thing. The main reason to create and use the opt-in page is to build an email list of potential buyers. So let's get right into it. I'm logged into my Builderall account, and when I go to the left to this builders bar and then I click drag and drop pixel perfect and then new website. It's gonna take me to a page where there are lots of templates, but I'm gonna choose something simple so I can show you guys what I mean by that. So let's go ahead and scroll down, and I'm gonna click to this foot, and now I'm gonna just scroll down and pick the template for something simple. Okay, just a little bit, and I will pick this one, which is called sales page regular chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and click edit. Okay, here we are. As you can see, this is pretty simple website. It's not much information on there, but it looks nice, and you can change whatever you like on this page. For example, you can move this text. You can also change it to, for example, hey there. Okay. This is a simple website and can do well, but there is one important thing missing, and that is an opt-in form. So I want to show you on this particular example how to add email opt-in form into this website step by step. Have your opt-in page ready and therefore increase your potential buyers. So first I'm gonna save the page. Opt-in form. Send. And then save. Okay. Now we are gonna delete this buy now button. I'm gonna click it and delete it. And then we are gonna add email opt-in form instead of it. So I'm gonna go left and click this plus sign button and then email marketing form. Now I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Okay, I'm gonna move it like this. Okay, now I'm gonna close this, and now I'm gonna configure this email opt-in form to one of my subscribers list. So every time someone submits their information, they will be added to my list. So now I right click and then configure. I'm gonna connect it to my mailing boss account, which is an autoresponder inside Builderall. And now I'm gonna choose, for example, this Builderall business list. Okay, now we connected the email opt-in form to our list. If you guys don't know how to make a subscribers list, I will put a link in the description below on how to do that, so go ahead and check it out. And now we are gonna offer something for free to our potential customers. So let's just do that. I'm gonna change this text to, for example, get 20% discount on your first order now. I'm gonna make it much bigger, like this, for example. And also I'm gonna add text right here. So I'm gonna go left, plus sign button, and then text. I'm gonna choose something small, for example this. Okay, I'm gonna move it and then change the text to simply enter your name and email address below. Okay, now I'm gonna change it to white because we want to see it. Okay. And then I'm gonna make it little much bigger. Okay. And now we are gonna change this button, get free access. So right click button and change the text to get my discount. Confirm. So imagine you have a website like this and it refers potential customers directly to some kind of website where they can purchase the chocolate, and for each purchase you earn a commission. But if you add this little opt-in form and you give them something for free, in this case discount for chocolate, you will receive their email address. After that, you will send them regular emails with some news, sales or discounts, and then your database of potential customers will dramatically increase along with your commissions. This is the reason and big why you should have an opt-in form inside your Builderall website or any kind of website. One more thing, this opt-in form should be on your website at least 2 times. You can have it right here, and then also when I scroll down at the bottom of the page, you can also put it right here. So in that case, your conversion rate will increase. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out the Builderall, there is gonna be a 7-day free trial. Just go ahead and click the first link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like these kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go and comment below in the comment section. And with that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.